Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by powering down and isolating the keyboard. This prevents accidental input and short circuits. Once unplugged, make sure you have compressed air, 70% plus isopropyl, a microfiber cloth, and a keycap puller ready. Start in a well-lit area and place a towel or tray beneath the board to catch crumbs. You should photograph the layout before removing any caps so you can restore keys accurately. Then, remove a few keycaps to expose switches, starting at one corner and working methodically. Now you handle the messy middle, deep cleaning caps and clearing switch cavities. Once keycaps have soaked, scrub them lightly with a soft brush, rinse and towel off excess water. While caps dry, blast compressed air in short bursts into switch wells to remove dust. Use a small brush to dislodge stubborn particles. If you need to clean spills, lightly dab with 70% isopropyl on a cotton swab, make sure not to saturate. Once everything is dry, prepare to reassemble in the photographed order. Finish by reattaching keycaps using your reference photo, aligning stems and pressing straight down until you hear the click. Once reassembled, reconnect power and test each key with a simple typing test or an online key tester app. If a key is sticky or non-responsive, first reseat the cap and retest. Then gently clean the switch contact with a Q-tip and minimal isopropyl. If problems persist, check for debris under the stabilizers or consult manufacturer support. Warranty repairs may be fast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.